In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can take macro photos on Xiaomi 17T. So let's open the camera, and then in the photo mode, you should be able to either tap on this arrow that we have at the top of the screen, or swipe down on the camera preview. In here, in this panel, you should be able to find the super macro option, which we can easily activate. Then here we also have an instruction to shoot approximately 30 centimeters away from the subject that we want to photograph. So as you can see, we actually have to keep the camera far away from the subject, because if we keep too close, even the camera says that we need to move farther away. So if you keep the camera too close, you will unfortunately lose the focus. Now this can be slightly inconvenient because it means that you have to really keep the camera far away from the subject, which of course might be not the intended purpose. Now, if you want to actually take a photo in a decent quality of something that is tiny, if you want to zoom in, then what you can do is you can disable the super macro mode, and then instead we're gonna keep a little bit of distance between the subject and the camera, and then you can just use the zoom. And there we go. This is how we can take a macro photo as well. Of course, in here also, if you keep the camera too close, then you will lose the focus, so you want to keep the distance, and then you can try to simply take a decent macro photo like that as well. So this might be helpful as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.